Hi everyone, I'm Lala. Welcome. Today I'm sharing with you this very easy side dish, lunch, potluck entry. It's up to you where you want to take this, but it's very, very good. I have half of a very small cabbage that I thinly sliced, a quarter of a red onion, thinly sliced. If it is too harsh for you, then maybe use green onion. It's a milder taste. This is crab classic imitation crab. I like to keep really big chunks. If you like to rip it to shreds, that's on you. For the sauce in a bowl, I got 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or any vinegar of your choosing, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, salt and pepper to taste. I like extra ground black pepper. Stir it, and if it's too thick, dilute it with water. Add it to your salad, stir, and boom. Put that in the fridge for about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, and you got the tastiest side dish, or even a full meal if you want. It's very delicious, very good. I promise everyone will like this. We served it up with some pork chops and some poblano pasta with a side of roasted vegetables. I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.